Hi, I'm Fat Papa. A lot of time when you're cooking, there are different recipes. Which one is better? Today, let me show you the shrimp toast and the golden shrimp toast. Which one is better? Let us begin. So to make the shrimp toast or the golden shrimp toast, they are same. Like you need shrimp, you need the toast and egg. That's all you need. And the difference is the golden shrimp toast, like now a lot of people like to make the video or popular, is they have the egg outside, and then the regular shrimp toast, they don't have the egg like cover outside. That's the only difference. So let me tell you how to make it. Then I will give you some idea which one is better and how to cook those recipes, which way is the best. So first we cut off the outside of the bread, so we only need the white part. Some people may ask, can I use the wheat bread? To make the shrimp toast, the best way is use the white bread. And if you can buy the square one, those will be better. You don't need to buy the thick cut. The regular size white bread, it will be fine. Then after, you just cut them into small pieces. So usually I will cut it in like 1 cut to 4 pieces. Because you don't want to be large size, like it's like a baking size. It's a snack and you can have it, or for your kid, or you have a party, those will be good. After you make the bread, we need to chop the shrimp and then to mix it. Some people will say to use the blender to blend it, but if you use the knife to chop it, the taste will be better. And you don't need to chop it to really tiny pieces. I will have like some of them is large piece, so when you eat the toast, you will still taste like some of them is the shrimp, and then some of them is already mixed. So it's up to you. If you think it's like too much work, you can put in the blender and then to blend it. That will be fine too. So after you chop it for a little bit, remember to move all of them to center. That way it will be easier, and then you chop again. Because as soon as you chop, it will be flat, and then you move all of them. See, now you move all of them to center and then chop again. It will be easier and then better result. So after it's done, you put in the bowl. So you see, when they are really sticky to the knife, that means they are ready. After that, we need to put a little bit seasoning. We put half of the egg white. The whole egg white, it will be too much if like you don't make that much. So I will say half of the egg white, and then 2 teaspoons of the cornstarch, and then 1 teaspoon of the salt, and mix them. After you mix them, and then take out the whole shrimp, and then heat the bowl hard, just like kind of like you mix it through the flour, the bread. The idea is really same, but they are the shrimp. The way you do is that you will make the meat taste much better. So I will recommend, if you don't like have the way to like do half, you can take out the egg white on the bowl first and then put half of that in there. And then the rest later on, when we do the golden shim toast, we can use it, so don't throw it away. See, we will add 2 more eggs in there, and then for the later on we put cover on the toast before we put in the air fry. I try 3-4 different methods: deep fry, air fry, pan, or you put in the oven. The golden shim toast, I will say that the best way is use the deep fry. Otherwise, like you see on the picture, those will not look good. And I personally, I don't like the golden shim toast. The reason is the egg. The flavor, it covers the shim, so you kind of like taste the egg more than the shim. See, now we just like bring out all the shim and then put. Yeah, you can hit it harder, it's fine. Just like the way you do is like to make all the shim meat to be taste better. Okay, we're back to the golden shim toast. The way it do is like it will cover the flavor of the shim. If you want to put the egg, then why not do the French toast? I don't really know why that is so popular, but I tried different way, and the result, at least my kid don't like it at all. No matter which way I cook it, deep fry, oven, air fry, they don't like that texture and then the taste. But if the regular shim toast, like without egg, only the toast, we put the shim in the middle and then to cover it up, that one, they eat all of them, and it's much easier and then less work to do. But I still will show you, like it's up to you, your way, your style. This is my new series. I'll tell you the different recipes, show you all at once, so it depends which way you like it. So you put the shim, don't put too much. Like it's just like kind of a sandwich. You can cover it up, and then you dip the egg, and then you put in the air fry, or you go bring it to the deep fry, up to you. Like if for more health, you like air fry. Air fry, if you do the egg, you need to use the oil spray to spray some oil on it. But if for the regular shim toast, you don't need to put oil at all. You can just like put it in there, no oil, and then to cook it. That is a healthy and then a good snack for the kid. Just bread and shim. As soon as your kid can take like shim, no allergy to it. Okay. So after we do that, if you think I'll use the hand is dirty, you can use the chopstick to flip it. Like I just show you different way. After that, I cook few of the golden shim toast and then few regular one, so you can see how they are. And you just I use the spoon to put the shim meat on top of the toast, and then you cover it up with another toast. This is the regular one. It's that easy. Just the egg white and then the corn structure, like you mix with the shim. This like to help you to make the toast stick together with the shim. Yeah, and then like the egg white will make the shim taste like more good after you cook it. See, you can put a little bit more. Yeah, but just not too much. And then you cover it up, you put in, and then that's it. And then it's pretty easy for the regular one. But for the different, because like they have the egg, it's like really hard. You need to look at it, and then you need to keep flip over. And then I will say deep fry is much better. If you use the air fry, the temperature will be set at 400, and then you will put 6 or 7 minutes, depend how many pieces, and then put in 7 minutes, and then after it's done you flip over. But remember, if you do the egg golden shim toast, remember to spray on the bottom and on the top, otherwise it will stick to the air fry. So that's it. So you see the front is the regular shim toast, the black is the golden one. I will say the front regular one tastes much better and really crispy. So do the way you like it. I hope you will like the video, and please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it, and also share my video. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.